Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to use shortcuts on XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. First of all, go to the settings, additional settings, they are here, languages and input, manage keyboards, choose your keyboard, here physical keyboard, system physical keyboard settings, and here keyboard shortcuts. Here we can see all shortcuts on our keyboard. Let's use, I don't know, home screen. I press it and settings are closed and we can see home screen. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, press like button below the video, and goodbye.